everybody, and welcome back to my vlog. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery. What is a vlog? It's a video blog where I get to show you guys things that make me happy and fun embroidery stuff. So the past week we've done a lot actually, and I want to show you guys my new workspace. So this is my desk area. And there's a lot going on. I still have my 4 desks. This is my center with McDreamy and everything. Let's step into it so you can see. I have all my video processing stuff. I have actually the window open, which is lovely. So all my computers going on, all the stuff I need, all my notes, McDreamy, cameras, they're not set up. We still have a little bit of work to do in here, but generally it's pretty good. So let's go over to the second section. This is a work section. Now I have some lovely ambient lighting going on, but let's turn on the real lights. There's a lot of lighting down here. So Ragnar's sitting right here, and I think he looks absolutely awesome with all of his stuff and everything like that. This I'm still working on, but I have their garage cupboards, and I bought them a long time ago, and they have matching drawers. So now I have tons of storage, and these drawers are really, really deep. So, you know, a ton of stuff can fit into them. It's pretty fantastic. So I got to sort out some tools. I got to do stuff like that. So I still have a lot of work to do, but we're actually getting there. So I wanted to show you the stand that comes with Ragnar. So he's pretty cool. And that's where I keep some of my bigger thread, which looks pretty good. It's easy to get to and they're nicely displayed. I got to clear it out a little bit and fill it up a little bit. But there you go. So over here to storage. Now you guys have seen this stuff before. This is, I have a lot on it. So I have, there's my AccuQuilt dies, fabric in there. Everything's labeled and neat. There it goes right there. I'm going to show you that in a minute. So this is my work table, which is awesome. Just so I can cut things up, and you see I have a little bit of a mess there, but that's okay, we're working on it. Some things I need to stitch, more storage over there. We have a little sitting area in here in front of the fireplace, which is actually really cool. So we can sit and turn the fireplace on because Canada gets pretty cold. And watch some TV. I have a big TV up on the wall too. So this is my thread storage, if you can believe that. It is so awesome. I love this. This is my favorite thing. The first one is all my Floriani. So what I have, if you could see in the drawer, it's the 1,000-meter spools, and it all fits in there handily. So I have them all color-coded with the drawers. Can you believe that? I paid a bunch of teenagers some pizza to sit and do this for me. So everything, so if I'm looking for red thread, I just go to the red drawer. Orange and browns are in this drawer. And it's amazing, and I love it. I have to put some threads away. You can see I have a bunch sitting out there. But I usually keep on top of it. Now I have a whole bunch. The rest of them are Robson Anton thread, which I don't use very often. I prefer Floriani for no reason. But all of these cabinets are full of thread. How cool is that? Isn't that fun? Isn't that neat? So step into the little living room. You can see I have dachshunds. I don't actually have any real dachshunds with me, but there's this view of everything. And look around. So it's quite a working space. I absolutely love it. I still need to do, you know, a little more work on it, but everyone's pretty happy. I think it's fantastic. We got some awesome lighting down here and plenty of room for me to work. Now, one of the best parts, it's a partial basement that I'm in, so the sound is much better down here. It's much less echoey and lovely, so I should be able to make better videos that sound a whole lot better. So hopefully you guys like the tour of my workspace in working. We're still doing stuff. We haven't quite got it yet. Oh, we have an exit to the back door too, which is really cool. My 4 desks are all set up, and I'm really happy with it. That's where I sit most of the time to answer questions and work. So we got lots going on. It just needs a little bit more cleaning up and organization. But I just thought you guys would like to see what I've been up to for the last week. It took us a long time to move everything. So the whole space, and I'm loving it. I feel great down here. So thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for joining me on my blog. I hope you guys enjoyed this, to see, behind the scenes, see what we're doing, the whole bit. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's something for everyone on the OML Embroidery channel. There's classes, there's quick tips, there's different software, and there's hooping and machine work and creative Kiwi stuff, and it's a lot of fun. So thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for letting me give you a nice tour of my new office, and I'll see you guys in the next video.